Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I'm just doing a quick little video. We're getting ready to, this is a brand new 2025 Coachmen Catalina, I think that's how you pronounce it, a destination series. And we're getting ready to add, I believe it's got one solar panel up there already. And we're getting ready to add, I think 11 more, as well as 3 lithium batteries. I just noticed, wow, that wall looks bulged out huge, big time. So I'll have to see if my guys can take a look at that for them. This got delivered here by a transport driver. So as you can see, this is a residential model. It's got the big sliding glass doors in it. And I believe they're gonna build a deck around it. It's got like a double bunk in the back. There's a double bunk up top. And then I believe that's either a king or a queen bed inside there. And then full kitchen. It's beautiful on the inside. But we're gonna be doing a bunch of solar to this. They wanna have it set up to where it can be off the grid. I guess the area that they're living in are going to be, having it for like a weekend home is, I guess they're not allowed to use a generator. So first when they came in, I said, are you sure you want to put that much money into something like this? And then depending on the systems that we have to put in based off of the need of the coach and the customer's needs, you can always start out small and expand up, but they didn't want to do that. They said, hey, give us what we need, give us a worst case scenario. And, again, I tried to say, hey, why don't you do a generator, And they said they can't have that at that park. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. And as soon as the guys get started on this, I don't think they're going to start on it until next week. We're still waiting for all the parts and materials to show up. There's quite a bit of product. I want to say there's, I don't even know, at least, I would say probably 25 grand just in materials between all the batteries, the Victron stuff, wiring, all the solar panels. I think the solar panels showed up, some of the other components have, and I can actually walk into the shop real quick here and show you because they just showed up yesterday. But I know we're still waiting on a bunch of stuff, our wiring and ends and all that. So as soon as that gets through, he will get onto that. I know here's a couple multi 2 pluses for something and a box full of stuff from Victron. And then here's a whole slew of solar panels. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 solar panels. All right, well, we got guys working in the background, getting ready to fire the forklift. So we will talk to you later. Have a great day. Dustin, your RV specialist.